What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome back to The Grade. Today is day 20 and we are talking about that golden hour look. So golden hour is typically either sunrise or sunset. Your grade, if you're shooting in golden hour, should reflect that. It should reflect your deep oranges, your deep ambers, all those kind of things. But if you're not shooting in golden hour and you're trying to get that golden hour look, you want warm highlights, warm shadows, basically an overall warm tone in your image. This is golden hour. So I got two clips here. This clip was taken during golden hour and the other clip wasn't. And you see, you can't tell which one. So I don't like this clip because it's so, I had to crank up my shutter. I should have shot in slow motion, but I had to crank up my shutter just so I could kind of get a decent exposure out there because I'm shooting directly into the sun. So we're gonna go to my other clip. I'm gonna turn this node off and you'll see what we're working with. This is with the white balance set to 6500. This is what you're gonna get. I can do this to kind of warm it up, but that's gonna, like if this was a person, that's gonna tear everything up. So I'm gonna reset that. And so I'm gonna turn this back on. And what I did was my shadows node and I just dragged it over to the top right a little bit. So that's too much, way too much. But if you bring it back down, just to have that slight glow right there, that works. Now you got your golden hour look. I was using a diopter on my lens to get these macro shots. Thank y'all for watching. That was day 20 of the grade. And day 21, we are recreating a neck flip style grade. Deuces.